Hi, it's Melissa from Pioneering Today. Have you ever wanted to make sourdough bread, but you weren't sure how to get your starter going? Or you've tried doing starters in the past, but they didn't turn out? Don't worry. You're in luck because right now I have just put out a free video training series teaching sourdough starter from scratch with just 2 basic ingredients that every kitchen has. We're going to talk about what natural fermented sourdough is and why it's so beneficial to your health, why your starters in the past have failed, and more importantly, the easy but important tips to create a thriving starter. I'm going to show you the tips on how to make your starter from start to finish. Best feeding schedules, what to make with the discard, and what discard means in regards to sourdough starters, when it's ready to bake bread, and more. And I know that this works because I've used them in my kitchen and have had my same starter for over 7 years. I've helped train and teach thousands of people online how to conquer bread and pastry baking, and I can help you too. Now, it's absolutely free, no credit card required, just your email address. But the catch is it's only available for a very short period of time. It's only going to be up for about a week. So you want to make sure that you catch this while it's available and pass this video on. Share it with anyone you think might be interested so they can take advantage of this special training too. I can't wait to see you in the first video, so just click the link in the description of this video, or you can go to melissaknorris.com/sourdough, and I'll see you over there.